As your startup grows, managing customer relationships manually becomes nearly impossible. That's where CRM tools and automation come in. In this lesson, we'll cover how to use customer relationship management systems and automation to stay organized, drive growth, and deliver a better experience at scale. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's a system that helps you track every interaction with your leads, users, and customers in one place. Whether you're B2B or B2C, a good CRM helps you stay on top of conversations, follow-ups, and relationship history. Popular CRM tools include HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, and Zoho. These platforms allow you to store contact details, log activities, track deals, and automate repetitive tasks. You can see where each lead is in your sales funnel and tailor your outreach accordingly. Automation takes your CRM to the next level. You can automatically send welcome emails, follow-up messages, or onboarding sequences based on user behavior. For example, if someone signs up but doesn't complete setup, your CRM can trigger a helpful reminder. Lead scoring is another powerful CRM feature. It ranks your leads based on their engagement, like email opens, clicks, page visits, or demo requests, so your team can prioritize the highest potential prospects. For early-stage startups, start simple. Use free tools like HubSpot CRM or Airtable. Focus on keeping data clean and workflows lean. Don't overcomplicate with too many custom fields or complex automation until you understand your process. As you scale, build workflows around your customer journey. Segment contacts by persona or lifecycle stage. Automate handoffs between marketing and sales. Set reminders for renewals or upsell opportunities. CRM isn't just for sales. It's useful across your startup. Customer success teams can use it to track onboarding and satisfaction. Marketing can use it to nurture leads with targeted campaigns. Product teams can collect user feedback and understand usage patterns. The key to effective CRM is consistency. Make sure your team logs notes, updates statuses, and follows the same naming conventions. A messy CRM is worse than no CRM. It leads to missed follow-ups and wasted effort. You should also connect your CRM with other tools, like your website, email platform, and support system. This gives you a 360-degree view of every customer and makes it easier to deliver personalized, timely experiences. Use analytics to track how automation is performing. Are people opening your onboarding emails? Are your follow-ups converting? Test different sequences and refine your messaging over time. As you build out your CRM, focus on the user. What do they need next? How can you help them succeed faster? When CRM is done right, it doesn't feel like automation. It feels like care. Let's use CRM tools to scale your startup without losing the personal touch.